Sometimes, you might send messages to others through Messenger. Occasionally, there could be a mistake in a message, so you may want to delete it. In this video, we'll explain how to delete any message you've sent on Messenger. When you delete this message, it'll also be removed from their phone. Anyway, to do this, open the Messenger application. After opening it, select the chat from which you want to delete a message. For example, I'm selecting this chat. Then, if you want to delete a message, you need to long press on that message. For instance, I want to delete this message, so I'm long pressing on it. When you long press, you'll see a delete option. Click on delete, and when you do, you'll see an option to select more messages. If you want, you can select more messages. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting just one message. After that, you'll see a delete option down here. Click on delete. When you do, you'll see two options. One is delete for everyone. This means if you choose this, the message will be deleted from your phone and their phone too. The other option is delete for you. If you select this, the message will only be deleted from your phone, but it'll still be on their phone. Anyway, since we want to delete it for everyone, I'm choosing delete for everyone. When you click that, the message will be deleted. This message will be removed from both your phone and their phone. So, that's how you can easily delete any message on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.